This is Lanicom of Lanicom Views, and hey gamers! Today we're diving into the world of budget-friendly gaming gear with the Fifine H9 Gaming Headset. Let us see if this headset can deliver quality without breaking the bank. First up, the unboxing. The Fifine H9 comes in a simple no-frills package. This is the box of the Fifine H9. It shows the headset overall look in black color, showing also it has a USB dongle and an attached microphone. As we open the box, inside you'll find the device manual. There is a box in the middle where you can find the USB dongle. The end has the control buttons and the 3.5mm port. On the other end is a USB-A to connect to a computer. This wire is quite long. Next is the headset. The headset itself is lightweight and features a matte pink finish with a subtle smiley face design on each ear cup. We left in the box. Here is the detachable microphone. The design is sleek and minimalistic, perfect for those who prefer a more understated look. The ear cushions are made of synthetic material, which might feel a bit snug for some. But overall, they provide decent comfort. Setting up the Fifine H9 is a breeze. You can connect it via USB dongle or the auxiliary cable, making it compatible with a variety of devices including PC, Xbox, PlayStation 5, and the Nintendo Switch. You can also connect this on your mobile phone. The USB dongle also features volume controls, microphone adjustment, and the button to activate the 7.1 surround sound. And now let's talk about the sound quality. The Fifine H9 boasts 50mm dynamic drivers. The 7.1 surround sound features added extra layer of immersion. One of the standout features of the Fifine H9 is its microphone. It's an omnidirectional condenser mic with an impressive clarity, comparable to the high-end models. The boom arm is flexible and stays out of your way during intense gaming sessions. To test out the microphone and to say something about the Fifine H9 experience, we have here a gamer herself, Himignikest.
Hello, I am testing this headset's microphone, and to do so, I want to talk about a few points that I've noted about how my experiences with this headset. So let's start with the base of this headset, in which for me, it is a good base, but in my personal opinion, I believe it is a bit too strong and overwhelming at some times. Maybe it depends on the video game or the video or the music you're listening to, but for me, it's a bit too overwhelming. This headphone is around the mid to low territory of sound. So yeah, that is one of my points. I think for the bass, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Next, for the treble, I think the treble of this headset is pretty basic. I don't have any notes for it. It's good. Next, I think I'll talk about the volume of this headset. Now, when I first tried it out, I actually thought that the volume of the headset was a bit on the weaker side, but as I tested out my headset in different videos and music, it's pretty average. I still would prefer to crank up the volume of my headset a bit higher than my usual volume. Now, lastly, on the clarity of this headset, I do believe that the bass I mentioned earlier does interfere with the clarity a bit, because sometimes due to the bass being too strong, it can make the audio feel a bit muffled. So besides that, I think that this headset overall is pretty good. I'd rate it a 8 out of 10.
Comfort-wise, the headset is lightweight and the cushioning on the headband ensures it sits nicely on your head. However, the ear cups might feel a bit tight for some users. It can be connected using wires only. The lack of wireless functionality or Bluetooth connection means you'll have to deal with the cords, but on the plus side, you won't need to worry about charging. So is the Fifine H9 worth it? For a budget headset, it offers solid performance, especially in terms of microphone quality and multi-device compatibility. The sound might not blow you away, but it's decent for the price point. If you're looking for an affordable, lightweight headset for gaming or work, the Fifine H9 is a great option. I would like to thank Himig Nikest and Serenade Steven for helping me checking out this cool device, the Fifine H9. Check their Instagram and YouTube for cool art and more stuff. I hope nakatulong ang video na ito sa inyo sa panonood lamang. Subscribe to Lanicom Views and comment din kayo and share your thoughts about this device. This is Lanicom of Lanicom Views. Hanggang sa muli!